Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Swiffer Deluxe Wet Dry Mop and the Swiffer Wet Dry Mop. So they both take the exact same pads. Here I've got the wet pad. Open up these flaps. Now this has got a nice soft material. You're going to push these in. I like that this is nice and soft. Same with over here. Nice flat material. I really don't notice much of a difference. They're the same thickness, same padding. One difference I am finding is this one, the Deluxe, will click into a 90 and hold it. They both swivel really well. Now it only clicks into the 90 this way. The original Swiffer, it swivels. It kind of locks into a like at this and not really at this angle. Okay, but they both swivel really easy. They're both going to move really easy. So let's see how well they mop. Now, how the handles come together, you can adjust. I mean, you're not really going to adjust it. They're both exactly 4 feet long. They both have a handle. Let's show you the handle up here. Now the handles, this one might be a little thicker. Both have a big loop that you can put onto a hook. You know, they both feel a little different, but about the same. Now, I do think the Deluxe, its handle is made differently. You're going to press these little buttons here and that extends it. It stays all together. You can make it really short, but it does seem a little bit sturdier. But this one's sturdier. There's just a little bit of slop, not much at all. The way you put it together is different, okay? You're going to, but you're probably going to leave it together and just hook it on a hook. So now let's put the mop pads on and see how they mop together. See if we can see any difference on the mopping. So push those in, whoops. I want to get it nice. This is the same size as the Deluxe. All right, now let's take the Deluxe, put the mop pad on. Yeah, that feels about the same. Okay, pushing those down to get those to lock in. Okay, let's try out the right one. This is the Deluxe. All right, it's working really well. These things glide so easy. Now again, I can click it into a 90 hold like that. And that's probably good for if you want to scrub with this edge. All right. Now let's go on to the Swiffer here. Again, it glides real easy, picks up all the mud. I can go either way. Now, as far as if I need to scrub with that, it's not going to hold. So I could do that, okay? And I think I can go to a 90 this way, but it doesn't really hold either way. So both of them move really nice again. The Deluxe, the handle may just be a little bit more rigid again. But both of them do, they both use the same pads. So they both glide real easy. But again, being able to lock this one into a 90, that's probably going to be the biggest difference. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.